What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zeus Longcayana, and today guys I'm gonna show you how to make your lavalier microphone work with your Soundcard V8. But before I show you how to do it, I would just like to say thank you to those who have left their messages from my previous video, which is about the video rendering speed test of this gaming laptop, the MSI Bravo 17 gaming laptop. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I prepared a small thank you shout out for you, so let's roll it. Okay, so that's it, and aside from that, I've already included your channel's link down the description below. If this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you will always be updated. So if you guys are ready now, let's get started. We usually use BM800 for the Soundcard V8, and this is the widely used condenser microphone being partnered with the Soundcard V8. I've never seen a package that this is being partnered with the lavalier microphone. So guys, if you have a lavalier microphone and you might have been wondering why it's not working whenever you use this for the Soundcard V8, it's because of the connector. Lavalier microphone has this TRRS connector. If you can see this one right here, the TRRS connector, the distinguishing characteristic is it has three black lines here, 1, 2, 3. Some connectors have white lines, some connectors have red lines, just like this one. This connector has white lines here. They are both TRRS. I don't know the reason behind these colors. Anyway, the only microphone that can work with this Soundcard V8 is the microphone which its connector has TRS connector. It has only two lines. See this one? See the difference now? So that's the reason why when you plug this into the Soundcard V8, it will never work. Now let's go to the tip. Okay, right now guys, the audio that you're hearing from me is coming from Boya BY A7H condenser microphone. So for this to work guys, you need an adapter. Okay, so we are going to unbox this adapter and I will show you how this adapter looks like. This one, and I bought this from Lazada. Each adapter costs 85 baht. Okay, so we have here, this adapter is TRRS to TRS microphone adapter, while the other one is the TRS to TRRS microphone adapter. So what we are going to use is the TRRS to TRS microphone adapter, this one. As I've mentioned a while ago, the connector that works or that is compatible with this Soundcard is the TRS connector, just like this one. It has two black lines here, 1, 2, and same with this one. This female input here is for TRRS, and this one is the male connector, the TRS. So we are going to connect this one here. Okay, so we are going to connect this to the condenser microphone. Okay, so this is the condenser microphone. We are going to connect this one. Okay, there. Okay, and now we are going to connect this lavalier microphone. Okay, so I will just clip this on my shirt, of course, and let's connect this one to the adapter here. Okay, this one there. Alright, now it's not turned on yet. For you to monitor the sound, we are going to use an earphone or a headphone. There are two inputs for you to monitor the sound. We have the headphone and then the earphone. So I will just choose the earphone. Okay, now it's plugged in, and of course we are now going to connect this to the phone. You can either connect this to live 1 or live 2, so I will just choose live 1. Okay, and then connect that to the phone. Now we are going to remove the Boya BY-A7H, guys. Okay, let's, and then when I plug this into the microphone, the sound that you will be hearing will be coming from Sony RX100 Mark 5A, because I still have to turn this on, and then I had to adjust some of the controls here. Okay, see that. Right now, this is the sound coming from the built-in or the onboard microphone of Sony RX100 Mark 5A. Now, I had to use the earphone before I finally turn this sound card on. Okay, let's turn this on. There. Let's see. This is the microphone volume. Let's turn the monitor first. Okay. Hello. Now I am hearing. Okay, so I have to use the record. Now it's recording. Now you see. Now you hear my voice, guys. And we still have to adjust some controls here. Okay guys, so this is now the sound of Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone connected to the Soundcard V8, and of course with the aid of an adapter. So if you guys have a lavalier microphone and you want to use it with your Soundcard V8, just buy an adapter, and the adapter is TRRS to TRS microphone adapter. So this is how to make your lavalier microphone, guys, work with your Soundcard V8. Okay guys, so we're done with the test, guys. What do you say about the quality of Boya BY-M1 being used with the Soundcard V8? Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and if you think this video helped you, please hit the like and feel free to share. Thank you so much, guys. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below. And if you guys want to be included in my next video shout out, just leave your comments below, and of course I will be including your channel's link down the description below. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. See you in the next video.